may be no better character in fiction than Batman, and no better description of Batman than what Jim Gordon said at the end of the 2008 movie, The Dark Knight.
He's a silent guardian, a watchful protector, a dark knight.
You know, there's technology inside of tires that I'd consider a silent guardian. Tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS. Much like Batman's famous bat signal that illuminates the night skies of Gotham City when he's needed, TPMS lights are activated when tires need them most, indicating that there's something off with the pressure of your customer's tires. Let's talk about why TPMS is the silent guardian of tires. Mastering the complexity of TPMS can be difficult. It's not just about compliance, it's about ensuring the safety of every driver who leaves your shop. This system seems simple, but it involves a lot of sensors and signals, leaving the door wide open for potential service issues, even for techs who have been dealing with them for years. Not all TPMS are created equal. Direct TPMS may be the most straightforward, as it uses battery-powered pressure sensors mounted in each wheel to gauge tire air pressure. While most vehicles use direct TPMS, some use an indirect system that rely on wheel speed sensors to compare rotation speeds between tires. Keep in mind, TPMS sensors are not interchangeable between different makes and models, meaning they have to be programmed to work with specific vehicles. That means when it's time to replace a sensor, your technicians have two options: changing sensors to ones that are pre-programmed for the vehicle, or they can opt for programmable sensors that can be customized at the shop. Think TPMS isn't complicated enough? Think again. Because there isn't just one way to do a TPMS relearn. There are three main types of relearns, each with its own quirks: automatic, stationary, and OBD. Automatic relearns are done by driving the customer's vehicle for about 20 minutes. Stationary relearns are done with the vehicle parked. OBD relearns are the most direct approach. Using a TPMS tool, the technician connects directly to the vehicle's OBD port, allowing for a quick and efficient relearn of sensor IDs and positions. TPMS plays a crucial role in not just tire health, but the safety of your customers too. The relearn process is your way of ensuring that each sensor is correctly positioned and ready for action. By understanding the intricacies of TPMS, you become the Alfred to your customer's Batman. Even the Dark Knight needs Alfred, and your customers need a technician ready to service any issue with the silent guardian of tires, TPMS. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Badcock's Media. Thanks for watching.